Alright, we're getting ready to clean one room real quick with the Oreck Orbiter. We already did a pre-vacuum. There's a separate video. This little Bissell Power Force vacuum. And we picked up plenty of dirt and stuff out of the carpets because when we put the bag on the vacuum it was light, and when we took it off it was super heavy.
You ready?
Yep. We pre-sprayed the carpets with Fabuloso, which we mixed it was 2 cups of Fabuloso to a gallon of water, 16 ounces. And we use that because it's a neutral pH, it doesn't leave a residue. It does have a grease cutting agent in it, so it helps get these carpets really clean. And with the orbital motion and everything that we're using, it's going to thoroughly scrub the fibers, and the carpet's going to be dry in about an hour. So probably faster than that, because it's a pretty hot, dry day out. So
they'll be dry real fast, maybe about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, something like that.
So check our channel, because we have hundreds of videos showing how to clean carpets with an Oreck Orbiter, and we give you all the steps and everything. This video is so short we're not going to go into a lot of detail, but check the video description also for links to our Amazon. It's direct links for the Oreck Orbiter and the Bonnet, and we'll have a link there also for our Amazon store where we sell a lot more Oreck Orbiter accessories, and we sell lots of other cleaning supplies and equipment, things like that. But we have over 3,000 items for sale in our store under different categories, so make sure you check that out. And I'm going to put a link also to a Facebook group that we have for people that are into low moisture cleaning primarily, but it's also just open to anybody who wants to have a place to hang out, because we try to keep the group friendly, and anybody who causes trouble or insults anybody, we'll kick them out of the group. So we don't want to have a group that's full of a bunch of stupid stuff going on and people insulting each other and fighting. So
you see how quickly these things clean carpets. They're very quick and they're very precise, and you get outstanding results.
Yeah.
Now, during the professional carpet cleaning business, you don't have time to fool around. It's taking a long time to get a carpet clean. You need to get them done, and you need to get them done quick, and this machine will do that for you.
And we're going to see if this stuff comes out as we clean it. If we have to do a special treatment, we'll have to. We're going to charge it for special spot removals. Anything that doesn't come out with our standard cleaning is going to be an extra charge if they want it out.
Yeah,
it looks like that's going to come out.
It seems to be. That means the customer saved themselves some money.
Yeah, and any carpet you're not going to be able to get. First off, you're not going to be able to fix wear and tear, because cleaning doesn't fix anything. It just cleans the dirt out of the fibers. So worn out spots and things like that are going to look rough, and there's also some damage sometimes. A lot of people in these apartments are going to have cigarette burns in the carpet and things like that.
We did the closets off camera. Nobody wants to watch the closets, so they're done.
Leave it open because we have to rake in there.
Oh yeah, put some a little airflow. Let me see. I'll hit these just a little more.
Hey, when you get done, just take that out in the hall, move the cord, and just rake it real quick, and I'll film the raking. We'll just make it part of the clip. I think that's damage.
Yeah, there is some damage.
The guy that lived here was a heavy smoker, so
yeah, so
we kind of expected to run into
let me
things.
get in front of the door real quick one more time, although it's pretty clean. Always hit your traffic lanes if you get a chance. You can always hit them twice, whether they need it or not, because who knows?
Yeah, your thresholds and transition areas usually pick up a lot of dirt.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a vinyl floor. It looks like wood, but it's vinyl, and everything that gets tracked in here stays on the shoes pretty much, and then it comes right off in the carpet. Yeah, put all that outside and grab the rake, and we'll just rake this real quick. Alright. So we're just trying to show you also real time. This doesn't take very long to do a room, and this one did have some little stains in it, but you might get the closets first.
Yep.
Now we reckon because it just helps get rid of all the machine prints and our footprints, and it also helps get all the fibers oriented in the same direction pretty much. They're all standing up.
It helps it to dry a little faster.
It'll help it dry.
Not like it matters. These things dry so fast it don't make a difference.
So if you want to take the time to rake it, make it look like a perfect brand new carpet, you can. Or if you just want to do it real fast and, you know, stand all the fibers up, it's however you like to do it.
Yeah, however you like to run your own business. You're right.
The carpet rake we're using is called a Grandy Groom, if you haven't seen one before. And it's designed just for doing carpets. And it's really good at what it does. And you can use those before you vacuum your house. It helps get the carpet fibers all loosened up so your vacuum will work better. Also, they're great if you're having company come over and you want to just spruce the carpets up real quick. You can just rake them real fast. So carpet rakes are really good things to own. If you have carpets in your house, you can always use a carpet rake. But they're for sale in our Amazon store. Okay, I'm gonna back out until he finishes because I don't want to catch an elbow.
Yeah.
And I'll just peek in there real quick.
That's it.
All right. You can see some of the machine marks are still there a little bit, but that won't hurt anything. This carpet should be dry in an hour, and that's all it takes. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching.